everyone. So this is my second video of race dynamics which I am installing on KTM 390. So again, this was a difficult task. We were just struggling from around half an hour to install this race dynamics Z flasher, which is this one, which I have installed on my DS3 Himalayan. So it's very simple on this also. Come closer. So installing this is which comes with this socket over here. In other bikes we have to just install this, and this goes in the all the indicator plug in place, and this one is the main tail lamp socket, male and female, which goes connected over here. But this is not the case which this gets on. Okay, we tried fixing like this, but this doesn't work like that. There is a 14-pin socket which is there in the stock wiring, which comes like this. This comes like this, pinned up with the insulation tapes, which is there underneath this lock set. You have to just remove this and install the FlashX module into this one, and you have to put this into this. Okay, so I've connected the sockets with the stock wiring, with the indicator wiring and the tail lamp wiring, which comes with this. Okay, this is as simple as this. You have to just on the key, you can see that. Okay, this is responding. Okay, this is responding. I'll just on the flasher. This is same as it is as I showed in the last video, as Himalayan DS3. Right, left, right, center, and you can see this. This is responding. You can see the lights over here, and you can see the patterns over here, which is just blinking. Okay, it is as simple it is, and it is no difficult as you think. You can just get it installed by yourself. Before getting this installed to my bike, I just checked with the mechanic, and he just told that he'll be charging 350 rupees for this. And this is a very simple job. You can do it, and you can learn something new from this. You don't need to worry about your wiring or something on it. Okay, this is just a plug and play. You should not cut any wire, or you should not just leave any wire on this. You have to just take it. This device which I bought it, and this is again I have bought it from Sri Automobiles, which is from Nirav. Sri Automobiles, JC Road from Bangalore. Okay, this is a very beautiful device which comes with the 61 patterns in it, and just plug, play, right, left, right, and the model gets on. So I suggest everyone not to go to the mechanic once and get this fixed. I don't know what they will do on it. You, with the patience, get it installed, and yes, the module will get on. There is no video of this particular 390 or 200 in the YouTube how to fix this. There is only a Simtac videos on it. So I thought of putting the race dynamic FlashX module video also on the YouTube. It is useful. You can install it by yourself and get it on by yourself. There is no requirement of a mechanic to install this. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.